If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. Right now, you're looking at a 2021 BMW 330xi all-wheel drive. This is our initial assessment of the vehicle. This is a freshwater flood damage vehicle. So right now we're just checking to see if it's a good candidate to see if we can get it running and perhaps maybe rebuilding the vehicle. So far so good. I don't see any signs of rust or corrosion in the engine compartment. I did have the opportunity to check the fluids before it came in the spot, and it looked clean. Didn't seem milky, didn't seem like the car was running at the time of the flood. So far all good signs. Let's do a quick walk around. There's no condensation in the lights, also a good sign. You have to excuse the video, it's going to be a little tight. So this is the right side, body's clean. The front, sorry. Couple scratches there. Nice sunroof. Going backwards because the sun is a glare. You won't be able to see the condition of the vehicle. Body's real clean. No water in the taillights. So far so good. Body's really nice on this one. So now we're going to check inside. Make sure the vehicle wasn't a deep flood. Zoom in a bit. Alright. No smell, no odor. No signs of moisture or condensation, no mold. Usually. So I do see some dust here. There's definitely some sort of fresh water in here. Tracks aren't rusted, that's good, so it means it's fresh water. But if you look here, I don't see any signs of water in there. So this was a very low flood. I'm gonna say about 1.5 inches, 2 inches of water inside. Not too bad. Look at the cups here. No water inside there. It's clean here. Tracks clean also. No water line, so doesn't look too bad. But before we power it up, there's certain precautions we got to take. So we'll pull the interior, we'll pull the rug, clean all the contacts, dry everything out, just so we don't damage anything. You got to be really careful. Spend a little more time up front, saves you a lot of money later. So we'll try to get it running first, and then I'll update you from there. We'll post it on the website as we make progress. Thanks for watching.